Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Paula's Choice Resist Barrier Repair Advanced Moisturizer. This product retails for $38. I am beyond excited to be trying another product from Paula's Choice. I didn't love the last moisturizer that I tried, but I am very hopeful for this product. It seems to have some very effective yet very simple ingredients in it, and it is supposed to deliver a great amount of hydration and restore your skin barrier within the first 30 minutes, at least according to the claims of this product. I am really excited because those are some bold claims, and so I'm excited to test those out. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. The highlight ingredients in this product include ceramides, tripeptides, and watermelon seed oil. To check out the full ingredient list, make sure you click the link in the description to go to their website. The big things I'll be looking for with this product, especially since I have tried a Paula's Choice moisturizer before, is to see if this product causes any breakouts. I also want to see how well this product performs, if it lives up to the claims, and also what type of finish does it leave on the skin. As for anything else, I will be continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm here to give you all a quick check-in on this product. I have been using this product for a couple of days. So far I've noticed this is an extremely lightweight moisturizer, and at first I thought it wasn't delivering the hydration that I needed, but that was only after my first application. The more that I continue to use this product, the more I realize that this is really deeply hydrating in a very lightweight way. This is automatically a soothing moisturizer from what I can tell. Immediately after I put it on my skin, it was soothing, and I love the packaging of this. This is similar to the moisturizer that I tried before, but so far it's working so much better. I do have a couple of active zits on my face right now, but they were there before I started using this product, but it seems to be helping these, and it seems to be improving my skin barrier. And I can also testify that within the first 30 minutes, I did notice this product doing some great hydration. It has definitely improved my hydration, and so I do feel like that claim is very accurate. I am going to show you the texture. So it starts off as this really thick cream, but then when you start blending it in, it just melts into the skin and becomes this extremely lightweight yet very nourishing gel. It's almost like a gel moisturizer. That's the best way that I can describe it, but it gives the level of hydration as a rich cream moisturizer, which is very impressive. I only take one pump of this product and it goes all over my face. I just love applying this product because it does give such a nice glow, but it is definitely lightweight. I feel like that it delivers a deep hydration for all skin types, but the initial feel of this product is almost like a gel cream that oily skin would use. This product is so unique because it does deliver such a lightweight hydration that I feel like would be tolerated by all skin types. I'm really loving my experience with it. It's making my skin look so hydrated, and it's really improving my skin barrier from what I can tell. I'm going to continue using it and just see if I experience any breakouts with it, and then I'll check in again. So I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I really enjoyed this moisturizer from Paula's Choice. In my opinion, it is way better than the other moisturizer that I tried, and the best part about it is that it didn't clog my pores or cause any acne. This moisturizer was extremely lightweight, and so I feel like if you do have oily skin, you are going to love this product, but it was also an extremely hydrating moisturizer. It was more internally hydrating from what I noticed because it wasn't greasy and it didn't leave a heavy finish on the skin, but it did deliver some very good hydration to the skin. I feel like if you have dehydrated skin or you're wanting a lightweight moisturizer that does deliver a very good level of hydration, then this is the way to go. It is a little bit of a richer cream feel, but it is still extremely lightweight. I do feel like that any skin type could use this. If you have extremely sensitive skin, I feel like this product would be a great moisturizer as well. It has amazing ingredients. It was just a very simple, very effective moisturizer, and it was also a great option. I didn't have to use very much of it. I just used about one pump every time, and so I didn't see myself going through this product very quickly, and for that reason, I would recommend this product. It was a very great, effective, and simple to the point moisturizer, and I feel like that sometimes we need that in our skincare routine. I would 100% recommend trying out this product. It is a product that I would personally repurchase, and it is another product that I love from Paula's Choice. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.